So hi dear Leos, very good evening to you guys. This is 22nd till the 27th of April, Oshos and Tarot messages for all of you guys. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Links are given below in the description box for the best healing modality. Okay, it was Ho'oponopono. For Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self-Love course, the links are given below in the description box. So let's start, honey Leo. 22nd, we have the inner voice. Okay. Instead of trying to find your answers outside of you, try to tune into your inner voice. Try to tune into your intuition. You guys are intuitively gifted, Leos. So try to tune into your inner voice and you will be able to find the solution, or you will be able to find the answer to your questions that you might be trying to find outside of you. Yeah. So listen to your inner voice when it comes to something very important, some kind of important decision. 23rd, we have the intensity. You are going to feel very intense desire, very intense energy of moving forward in a particular direction. Do it with the whatever like purpose you have. Do it with all of your heart and soul, but at the same time, try to be mindful. Trying to be patient. Try to be patient. Intensity is good. Going forward with full force is good, but patience and mindfulness is highly recommended. Okay, leave it. 22nd, 23rd, 24th, we have the traveling. Now, for some of you, it's a literal travel and it's going to be a rough patch. It's going to be a little bit rocky, curvy kind of energy where the travel is not going to be that much smooth. But once you are going to get to the destination, you can say, you will be able to enjoy this. You will be able to enjoy the results of your hard work. For others of you, it will be a project. It will be something that you're struggling with right now, but you know the end goal. And keep on reminding yourself the end goal of this journey, end goal of this chapter, and you are going to be like, you will be able to find the solutions as well. If there will be problems, the solutions are also going to be there for you, and you will be able to enjoy the like results of your hard work very soon. So keep going, honey. Yeah, don't worry about it right now. The more you're going to worry about something, the more it's going to haunt you. The more you are going to be in this energy of letting go and surrender, the more your life is going to be easy breezy and settled energetically. 22nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, the burden. Now on the 25th of April, you have this tendency to take too much pressure or too much of responsibilities on your shoulders, and then going to feel like the burden is all yours, and that you have the responsibility of the whole universe on you. So try not to take too much responsibility, or try not to take too much on your plate that you will not be able to finish. Because even if you think you can do it, yes, definitely you can do it, but taking it one day at a time, or taking one step at a time, or finishing what you have started first, then starting the next thing is going to be helpful for you. Okay, honey. 26, we have the innocence. So no matter if you're 90 years old or 17 years old, doesn't matter. The more you're going to be in the playful and innocent kind of energy, childlike innocent kind of energy, the more the universe is going to bless you with happiness, blissfulness, and peaceful energies around you. Okay, honey. So like innocence is the key here. Tuning in with your inner child is the key here, and learning to be happy with whatever you have is the key here. 27th, we have the lovers. In this particular deck, this lovers is not about romantic love. It's about you tuning into your masculine and feminine energies and finding the inner happiness, inner beautiful energies of loving yourself, taking care of yourself. It's basically balancing the divine masculine and divine feminine and creating a lover's kind of energies within yourself. Very divine, powerful energy. For some of you, you might be literally like connecting with somebody with whom you're going to feel a very intense connection with. It's like this person or this energy is going to make you feel like they are balancing you out. For most of you, it's like you feeling like your divine masculine and divine feminine is creating a very balanced kind of energy, and you're feeling the light within yourself. Very beautiful energy, very beautiful week for you guys. Listen to your inner voice, be playful. Even if there are obstacles and challenges on your path, you will be able to find the solution, and try to be mindful, and don't take too much on your plate that you will not be able to finish. For some of you, it's the literal message. Okay, honey, let's move to Virgo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.